Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to conceptum classes. First, let me remind you, if you are the first time viewer of this channel, kindly subscribe it. Today in this session, we will discuss surface area and volumes, mathematics, 10th class mathematics, and our today's topic is frustum of a cone. Today we will discuss frustum of a cone. What is frustum of a cone? Frustum of a cone. Let me take an inverted cone here. Let me take a cone here. Let me take a cone here. If a cone is cut in the middle by a plane parallel to the base, अगर हम एक कोन को मिडल में कट करेंगे, if we cut a cone in its middle, यहां मिडल में हम इसको कट करेंगे, यहां मिडल में अगर हम इसको कट करेंगे तो हमें क्या दिखेगा? एक कोन जो है इसके दो हिस्से हो जाएंगे, एक ये ऊपर वाला हिस्सा, एक ये नीचे वाला हिस्सा, यानी ये कोन ऐसे बनेगा। एक इसका ये ऊपर वाला हिस्सा रहेगा ऐसे, जो ये वाला हिस्सा है, तो ये तो कोन ही होगा, दिस इज अ कोन। अब जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा रहा वो रह गया ऐसे, जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है वो ऐसे रह गया। ये नीचे वाला हिस्सा इसका रह गया। This lower part of this cone, when a cone is cut in its middle, the lower part of the cone, ये जो lower part इस cone का है, it is known as frustum. We call it as frustum. It is known as frustum of a cone. तो अगर आप देखेंगे this frustum of cone, इसमें दो circular surfaces होती है, एक ये upper circular surface and a lower circular surface. ये जो अपर और लोअर सर, इनकी रेडियस डिफरेंट होती है, इनकी जो रेडियस है वो डिफरेंट होती है। अगर मैं मानता हूं ये लोअर सर्कुलर एंड की रेडियस r1 होगी, तो अपर सर्कुलर एंड की रेडियस r2 होगी, और द हाइट बिटवीन द अपर एंड द लोअर सर्कुलर एंड्स, इट इज नोन एज हाइट, इट इज नोन एज, एंड ये जो है ये दिस सरफेस, इट इज नोन एज स्लांट हाइट, इसको हम स्लांट हाइट कहते हैं। It is known as slant height. यानी जब हम कोन को मिडल में दो हिस्सों में बांट देंगे, ऊपर वाला हिस्सा कोन का कोन ही रहेगा, लेकिन नीचे वाला हिस्सा उसको फ्रस्टम ऑफ द कोन कहेंगे। फ्रस्टम ऑफ द कोन में दो सर्कुलर सरफेस होती है, एक होती है अपर सर्कुलर सरफेस, लोअर सर्कुलर सरफेस, लेकिन दोनों की रेडियस डिफरेंट होती है, या तो r1 बड़ी होगी या तो r2 बड़ी होगी, लेकिन दोनों की रेडियस डिफरेंट होती है। चलो मान लिया ये मेरे r1 है, ये मेरी r2 है, और ये जो है डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अपर circular and the lower circular end is known as height of this frustum, and this distance, this slanting distance, it is known as slant height. So what is frustum of a cone now? When a cone is cut in the middle by a plane parallel to the base, the lower part of this cone is called frustum of the cone. the distance between, then height, distance between the upper circular and the lower circular end. Rather perpendicular distance. It is perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from the upper circular end to the lower circular end is called height. It is known as height of the frustum of cone. And this slanting height, it is known as slant height. It's denoted by L. This is a slant height. ये हम यानी अगर मैं इसका नाम देता हूं यहाँ A और यहाँ देता हूं B, this distance AB, it is known as slant height. It is known as slant height. First, note it down. Let's move to some important formula regarding the frustum of cone. Let us first you note it. चलो यहाँ मैं अब एक फ्रस्टम ड्रा करता हूँ. Let me draw a frustum of a cone. Let this radius be R1, this radius be R2, this height be H, and this slant height be L. Now first, volume of frustum. Volume of frustum of cone. It is 1 by 3 pi. 1 by 3 pi. Radius of lower surface R1 square plus square of the radius of upper surface R2 square plus product of R1 and R2 into height. It is 1 by 3 pi R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into height H. This is volume of frustum. Then surface area of frustum. It's curved surface area. It is pi L, pi times slant height into R1 plus R2. Pi L, R1 plus R2. Where this L is known as slant height. Where L is called slant height. Then this slant height L it is equal to under root of H square height square plus R1 minus R2 whole square, provided R1 is greater than R2, where R1 is greater than R2. जब R1 R2 से बड़ा होगा तब then it is R1 minus R2 whole square. Now if R2 is greater than R1, अब अगर R2 R1 से greater है तब यहाँ होगा R2 minus R1 का whole square, इसका reverse. Then total surface area. Total surface area of frustum. Total surface area means curved surface area plus area of base plus area of top. Curved surface area. Curved surface area plus area of base plus area of top. Curved surface area. It is pi L R1 plus R2 plus area of base. Since base is circular, base इसकी जगह circular है, तो यहाँ area of circle का formula लगेगा. Minus pi R1 स्क्वायर, क्योंकि यहाँ रेडियस R1 है, प्लस एरिया ऑफ टॉप, टॉप भी एक सर्कुलर सरफेस है, सो इट इज पाई R2 स्क्वायर. This is the total surface area of frustum of cone. Note these formulas down. We will move to exercise 13.4. Now exercise 13.4. Here we will discuss from question number 1 to question number 3. Let us discuss 3 questions of this exercise today, and remaining 2 questions we will discuss in the next session. Question number 1 says, a drinking glass is in the shape of frustum of a cone of height 14 centimeter. Question number 1. It says that a drinking glass, यानी वो गिलास जिसमें हम पानी पीते हैं, वो एक फ्रस्टम की शेप में. इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ ए फ्रस्टम. ऐसे ही होता है, अगर घर में गिलास देखा होगा तो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होता है. ऊपर वाली सरफेस थोड़ी बड़ी, नीचे वाली सरफेस थोड़ी छोटी. दिस इज ए गिलास. इट इज हाइट, यानी ये जो हाइट है इसकी, it is 14 centimeter. Its height is 14 centimeter. The diameter of the two circular ends are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter. The diameter of this upper surface is 4 centimeter, and diameter of this lower surface is 2 centimeter. Is 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of the glass. You have to find the capacity. Capacity means volume. Here you have to find the volume. Height is given, diameter of the upper surface is given, diameter of the lower surface is given. You have to find the volume of this glass. यानी यहाँ हमने वॉल्यूम निकालना है. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हम अपर वाली सरफेस की रेडियस निकालेंगे, फिर लोअर सरफेस की रेडियस निकालेंगे. हाइट हमें दी है, फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके निकाल देंगे. सो लेट R1 be the radius of the upper circular surface, and let R2, चलो इसका मैं रेडियस मानता हूं R1 और लोअर सरफेस का मानता हूं R2. Let R2 be the radius of lower circular surface, now diameter of upper surface is given 4 centimeter. Diameter of upper surface, it is given as 4 centimeter. So let us first find the radius R1 of the upper surface. So radius R1, radius is diameter divided by 2. Here diameter is 4 divided by 2, it is 2 centimeter. Now diameter of lower surface is 2 centimeter. Diameter of lower surface is 2 centimeter. Let us find the radius R2 of the lower surface. Now radius R2, it's again diameter divided by 2, it is 1 centimeter. And height is given as 14 centimeter. Now height of the frustum of the glass, let me keep it as H, is 14 centimeter. Now we have to find its volume. So volume of glass. Since glass is in the shape of frustum, ये glass एक frustum की shape में है, then here you have to apply, यहाँ आप फ्रस्टम को जो हमें वॉल्यूम का एरिया है वो यहाँ वॉल्यूम का जो फार्मूला है वो यहाँ लगा दीजिए। सो 1/3 पाया R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into H. So it is equal to 1/3. Pi is taken as 22/7 into R1 square. What is R1? R1 here is 2 centimeter, means 2 square plus R2. R2 is the 1 here. 1 means 1 square plus R1 into R2. 2 into 1 into H. What is H? It is 14 centimeter. So it will be 1/3 into 22/7. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. 2 ones are 2 into 14. So it will be equal to 1/3 into 22/7. 4 to 6 1 7 into 14. 7 and 7 cancels. It is 14 2s are 28. 14 2s are 28 and 2 30. 308/3. Divide 308/3. 3 tens are 30. 3 twos are 6. बचा 2 और 3 cubic centimeters. It is 102 whole 2/3 cubic centimeters. This is the volume of glass. Note it down. Let us move to question number 2. Question number 2. The question 2 says the slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 centimeter and the perimeters circumferences of the circular ends are 18 and 6. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. So a frustum is given here. Let me draw the frustum. एक frustum दिया हुआ है like this. This is height. It is given that the slant height of the frustum of cone is 4 centimeter. This slant height, this height, let me keep this as L. It is given to be 4 centimeter. This L slant height is given to be 4 centimeter. And it is given that the circumference, that means the circumference of these two, the circumference of this circular surface is 18 centimeter, and here the circumference of this upper surface is 6 centimeter. Circumference. Find the curved surface area. You have to find the curved surface area. So let me suppose that R1 is the radius here of the lower surface and R2 is the radius of upper surface. So let R1 be the radius of lower circular surface and R2 be the radius of upper circular surface. Now it is given that circumference of the lower surface is 18 centimeter. Now circumference of lower surface is given to be 18 centimeter. Lower surface is circular. यहाँ आप देखिए lower surface is circular है, गोल है, तो सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल सर्कल सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल यहां वो फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे. व्हाट इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल? सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल होता है 2 पाया r. r इज रेडियस, लेकिन यहां मुझे रेडियस है r1, so it is 2 pi r1 is equal to 18 centimeter. Let me find r1 here. 2 into 22 by 7 into r1 is equal to 18. 222 is 44 over 7 into r1 is equal to 18 centimeter. It means that r1 is equal to 18 into 7 divided by 44. 2 nines are 222, or we can say r1 is equal to 7 nines are 63 over 22 centimeter. In the same way, let me find the radius r2. Now circumference of upper surface, it is 6 centimeter, or 2 pi r2, because radius here is r2, is equal to 6. r2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r2 is equal to 6. It is 44 into r2 is over 7 is equal to 6, or we can say r2 is equal to 6 into 7 divided by 44. 2 3s are 6, 2 22s are, or we have r2 equal to 7 3s are 21 over 22 centimeter. Now here r1 is now 63 by 22 centimeter and r2 is now 21 by 22 centimeter, and L we know. Now we have to find the curved surface area. First note it down. Now curved surface area of the frustum. Curved surface area, it is pi L into R1 plus R2. Pi we know, L we know, R1 we know, R2 we know. Substitute the values here and get the answer. Pi is 22 by 7. L is given as 4 into R1 63 by 22. R2 21 by 22. So it is 22 by 7 into 4 into, take 22 LCM here, the 63 plus 21. It is 22 by 7 into 4 into 84 by 22. 22 and 22 cancels here. 7 ones, 7 12s, 12 into 4, 48 square centimeters. It is the curved surface area of this frustum. Note it down. Let us move to question number 3. Third question. Third question says, a fizz, the cap used by Turks, is shaped like the frustum of a cone. एक कैप जो टर्क्स यूज करते हैं वो फ्रस्टम की शेप में होती है. Is shaped like a frustum, like this. the frustum of a cone, its radius on the open side is 10 centimeter. Open side यानी टोपी जो है उसका एक साइड बंद होता है और एक साइड ओपन होता है, लेकिन जो ऊपर वाला साइड है वो हमेशा बंद होगा। टोपी का ऊपर वाला हिस्सा बंद होता है, लेकिन नीचे वाला हिस्सा जो हेड में जाता है वो ओपन होता है। तो ये कहता है जो रेडियस है इस ओपन एंड की रेडियस, जिसको मैं R1 मानता हूं, ये 10 सेंटीमीटर है। इट्स गिवन टू बी 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड रेडियस ऑफ द अपर इज 4 सेंटीमीटर, और अपर एंड की रेडियस जिसको मैं R2 मान लेता हूं, ये 4 सेंटीमीटर है। इट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड 4 सेंटीमीटर एंड द स्लांट हाइट इज 15 सेंटीमीटर। और इसकी ये जो स्लांट हाइट है L, ये स्लांट हाइट L, ये 15 सेंटीमीटर है। इट इज 15 सेंटीमीटर। फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द मटेरियल यूज्ड, यानी इस टोपी को बनाने में कितना मटेरियल लगा है। अब अगर हम देखेंगे जब टोपी बनाते हैं, इसमें जो मटेरियल यूज होगा वो इसका जो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया होगा उसके बराबर होगा, और जो है अपर एंड इसका ये बंद है, प्लस द एरिया ऑफ द अपर एंड प्लस एरिया, दैट मींस इट विल बी द मटेरियल यूज, एरिया ऑफ द मटेरियल यूज वो होगा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया फ्रस्टम प्लस एरिया ऑफ अपर एंड प्लस एरिया ऑफ अपर एंड। सो लेट R1 be the radius of the open end of the cap. Therefore, R1 is 10 centimeter. Let R2 be the radius of closed end of the cap. Therefore, we can say that R2 is given as 4 centimeter. And it is given that slant height L is 15 centimeter. We have to find the area of the material used. Therefore, area of the material used to make the cap it will be equal to curved surface area of frustum. Since the cap is in the shape of frustum, so it will be curved surface area of frustum plus upper end is closed plus area of upper end plus area of upper end. Now curved surface area of frustum pi L R1 plus R2 plus area of upper end pi R2 square, since the upper end जो है वो सर्कुलर है तो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल यहाँ लगेगा। एरिया ऑफ सर्कल होता है पाई आर स्क्वायर, क्योंकि यहाँ रेडियस हमें R2 है, इट इज पाई R2 स्क्वायर। तो करिए वैल्यू ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूट, इट इज 22/7 into L, what is L? 15 into R1 10 plus R2 4 plus pi 22/7 into R2 square, R2 is 4 into 4 square. Let me do it here now. So it will be equal to 22/7 into 15 into 14 plus 22/7 into 16. It is 7 ones, 7 twos. So it will be 22 into 30, 22 into 30 plus 16 into 22, 16 to 32, 16 to 32 and 3 is 35/7. 22 into 30, 660 plus 352 over 7. Take 7 as LCM. 70, 7642. 7642 and 4 is 46 plus 352. 4620 plus 352. It means 4972 divided by 7. 4972 divided by 7. When we divide it, the 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 0, 710 whole 2 by 7 square centimeters. This will be the area of the material used to make the cap. Note it down. Now remaining two questions, question 4 and question 5. It will be done in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.